So in our previous lesson, we looked at how to find the unit of derived quantities by using their basic quantities. So we are going to try two questions in this video. The first one is trying to find the unit of momentum. Now, if you are to find the unit of momentum, we know that momentum is given as mass times velocity. Mass times velocity. The unit of mass is kilogram, and the unit of velocity, which we found in the other video, was meter per second. So the unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second. Now, let's look at the next question. This is easy, right? So let's check this one. We have to deduce the unit of the expression y equals to KL over A, where L is length, A is acceleration, and K is a dimensionless constant. So we are going to write the unit of each of the quantities that have been mentioned here. So since we said dimensionless constant, you know what dimensionless constants are when we are doing or we are talking about dimension, which is likely going to be our next video. So dimensionless constant, you forget about the dimensionless constant. Then we have square root of the unit of length is meters, and the unit of acceleration is meter per second squared. So we can simplify this right here and say our meters will cancel this meters, and our expression will be reduced to square root of 1 over s power minus 2. Now in indices, as a law of indices, 1 over a is equal to a power minus 1. Therefore, what will 1 over a power minus 1 be? Of course, that will be a. Therefore, if we are having square root of 1 over s power minus 2, now if you want to write it as a whole, if you want to rewrite it using the law of indices that has been applied here, you are going to get y to be equal to square root of s raised to the power 2. I hope you all agree up to this extent. Good. So if we are having y to be equal to square root of x raised to the power 2, what is the square root of that? The square root of that will be s. So this is telling us that the unit of this expression is seconds. The unit of that expression is seconds. So if the unit of the expression is seconds, then what is this quantity y? This quantity y, what is this? So y is what? So y is time, right? So that is easy and that is simple. So you should be able, at this point, you should be able to find any unit of any type of expression that is being given to you. Thank you for watching. And then if you want to see more of this, like, share, and then subscribe for more videos. Thank you.